Continuing on our tour, this is another one of the houses. It was a complete rebate program from the city where we took out the old brown crunchy lawn, replaced it with a drought tolerant lawn, and in the process installed a Greywater system fed by the shower. So in this yard right here, we have 2 lateral aquifer pipes a foot underneath the ground, and then in the parkway we have 1 additional pipe. What's unique about this house is that because it's curved and the way it's structured, we actually had to use a pump in it in order to get the water flow to different directions of the yard. It's a sump pump, so as somebody takes a shower, it goes into the sump pump, and once it lands in the sump pump, it's pushed out to different sections of the yard. In this case, the pump is underneath these imitation rocks. And the shower exits right here, and it goes below into a holding tank, and from there it's distributed. So now go to the description below and you'll see some links to what a sump pump and a holding tank looks like and how we installed it in some other facilities, so you got a good idea of how to do it yourself.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.